Finance, Economic Development and Investment Promotion Permanent Secretary George Mnangagwa said that all government ministries, departments and agencies will soon be forced to accept ZIG payments. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The new currency has been met with skepticism by most Zimbabweans who harbor a deep-seated mistrust of the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ). This skepticism dates back to 2008 when the RBZ printed $10 trillion notes during a period of hyperinflation. Speaking during a 2024 monetary policy statement breakfast meeting in Harare on Tuesday, Mnangagwa also said the country has not de-dollarized as the multi-currency regime was still in place. The multi-currency regime was an agreed position between government and industry, and that is why industry is also using the US dollar as we speak today. So in that journey, there will be a point where fuel will be fully sold in ZIG and all duties will be payable in ZIG. There shall be a point where all government ministries, departments and agencies are forced to accept the currency. We are going to be forcing them very soon. In today's news, we can see that government departments will soon be compelled to accept ZIG payments. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.